y'all, it's Cass. Today we're going to be doing a pretty exciting video, but before we get started, if this is your first time here, please tippity tap the bell, give me a thumbs up. What is it? Thumbs up. Click the bell for notifications, comment down below. Y'all, brain farts, okay? If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back this week. Guys, I'm so excited. As you can see, there's a new change to my background. I did get a new vanity, which I'm super excited about. It wasn't in the plans. It wasn't in the stars for right now. But if you follow me on IG, about a week and a half ago, I stumbled across this at TJMAXX. I was doing some holiday shopping and I saw it and I was like, I need her. I am so excited that I got it. I've always wanted an Impressions vanity like mirror, but I was gonna wait until, you know, I finally got my own spot, which is a little bit of ways from now, and then I was gonna upgrade my life. But the Lord said, why not do it now, sis? So I said, you know what? You're right. And so I did. This is an unboxing video for you guys. I did get some questions on IG. I got actually a ton of questions just about people wondering where they could get it and, you know, what it would look like. And people wanted me to do an unboxing. So that's why I did it for you guys. I also went ahead and organized my vanity. It's not like a, you know, super structured video. I'm not telling you what's in my vanity and all that stuff. I'm just kind of just gonna let it ride with some tunes in the background and y'all can just watch me go. I have not touched this vanity since I moved back home, so it was really in shambles and I really had just been like operating in chaos for the last couple of months. But once again, I was only doing my makeup to film videos. It's not like I was really going anywhere. It came with its own zoom mirror, which I'm so excited about. I don't know if you've ever seen, like, when they do their PR packages for the bigger influencers, they would give them like Impressions vanities on their brand trips, and the mirror used to stick to it. So I thought this one would stick to my actual big mirror so that way I wouldn't have to hold it, you know, but it doesn't. It's okay. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm happy that it was included because it's such a good mirror, and obviously I'll be able to travel with her. Like, girl, I'm really looking at myself right now. Wow, I'm zoomed in. I love this. Super awesome that it came with it. I was not expecting it, so that was nice. I did have to attach the legs to the bottom of this. They are a little loose for some reason. I'm gonna have Kiss double check it. You know, I did it on my own without him this time. It wasn't hard at all. You do need a screwdriver, which does not come with it. It doesn't even come with like the little mini one so that you could do it. So make sure you have a screwdriver on hand. But you know, I just unscrewed the screws and attached the legs. It was very simple, but they're really loose. Well, not super loose, but like they're movable. So I'm gonna have my dad look at it. I don't want him to mount it to the wall. I don't think it's necessary. The only reason I had the previous mirror mounted was because the chair I was using was super tall. That's why you never saw my legs completely under my vanity. So I was even more excited to get this because I was like, it's time to get that chair out of the way. I love that chair so much. I love that it rotates. That's how I give you guys the full 360 of like my hair videos and stuff like that. But it was just like, I literally never put my legs under my vanity. I have to move out of the way to pull the drawers. So now I have like this nice little dainty chair that's in the house. And I just snagged it from our formal living room. Don't tell Junebug. Shh. And now I'm using it in the vanity and I'm at the proper height. So yeah, now it's perfect. I don't need to mount it to the wall and I'm living my best life. I absolutely love it. You have 3 different light temperatures. You can dim the lights as well, and then you can just turn it on and off, and all from the mirror. So I don't know, I know you can't see from back there, but it's literally right over here. I'll show you guys the 3 light temperatures and I'll dim it for you, and then I'll show you the actual rest of the video. This for me is like the standard light temp, which is my fave, but you can go warmer if you want to, and then you can go even warmer. Like, this is orange, you know. This isn't my favorite shade of light. Like I said, I prefer the standard, nice, clean, bright lighting. This reminds me of like my standard studio lighting, so that's what I like. I'm gonna just dim it for you guys. Oh, I didn't even realize I didn't have it at maximum brightness. And now we're dimming. And that's how low you can get if that's your speed. I'm gonna just kind of go back up to a nice brightness. I don't even need it to be the max bright. That's good right there. And then on and off. I'm obsessed with it. This is the Impressions Vanity Tri-Tone mirror. For some reason on the website it has a different name, but you'd be able to tell it it's the mirror. So excited that I got this. Like I said, again, it's actually crazy because when I went online to compare the price, it was on sale online, so you were getting it for the same price you would get it online. at TJMAXX, except you didn't have to pay like shipping and handling, which I thought was cool. But the crazy thing is they weren't even taking any more orders. So had I not grabbed this one, I would not be getting it until probably, I think they said they weren't going to start shipping new ones or like allowing people to order until next year. So I was just like, let me put this in the cart and let's roll out. That is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Just a simple fun video of me getting my vanity together. Super excited. I feel more like, you know, I'm supposed to be on the set of a movie now because I have like the square frame. It's lit out here, literally, because of the Tritone Plus. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you go to TJMAXX and find them. They don't just have this size, they also have the extra large one, which is like a rectangle. So if you don't have like a huge vanity and you don't want it to take up too much space, you can kind of, it's basically half of this. So, and it's still the same thing. Pretty cool. So yeah, just go to your local TJMAXX and just look around. I definitely asked when I walked in, I said, girl, where's the silver ones? I know you got them. And she pointed me in the right direction. It was fabulous. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.